So it was a Friday night, we were all hanging out in the kitchen, listening to music, and all of a sudden we heard boom! It sounded like somebody jumped from like off the counter. And I turned around and I said, what are you guys doing? And then we realized that something had snapped. So I ran down in the basement, and I come to find the lolly column had snapped in half and it was laying on the floor. So it really scared us, made us really nervous.
So everyone wants to know what we do when we're not doing Cabin Master stuff. Well, we're doing helping out our friends. We're at Steve Briere's house, our HVAC guy, and there's a lot of stuff going on. So what's happening, old houses in Maine like this, they have your old brick, granite, whatever they can find, foundations, and a dirt floor. So over time, the moisture comes up and it slowly rots the house from the inside out. Best thing to do is to spray foam. Spray foam will stick to all this, so we want to spray foam all this. But you gotta have a vapor barrier over your floor. Where Steve's floor is so up and down and in and out, we're gonna start today, we're gonna have a bucket brigade and we're gonna start just leveling out, with pickaxes and stuff. We'll smooth it out the whole way through. And then we're gonna find out where the rotted areas are and we're gonna slowly fix them. You can see a lot of rot, especially where the bathrooms are and whatnot. So we'll attack that. Lolly columns have popped, right? It's actually, some of them are actually rusted because there's so much moisture down here. Yeah, and they actually cracked. You can see where this actually shifted so much. So we'll get this place back to where it needs to be. To do it correctly, it's gonna take a lot of money and time, so we're gonna do it over time. It's not nice down here, but we'll get a little light down here, get some music, it won't be that bad. I don't know, Doug. Being a gold miner, probably not. I've been doing this for half a day and I'm over the pickaxe already.
Yeah? Find any nuggets?
No.
I'm hoping to stay under $10,000 for the budget, and we'll see how much we can get done with that.
You think this vent pipe's hitting the wall, huh? Look at this. I just drove my. Look at that.
Oh, nice.
Nice, huh?
Yeah.
Look at this right here. These old houses are crazy. That's a 4x6 beam, maybe. That's 3 feet on center. I mean, you can't get away with that anymore. And over time, things settle and sink, so we have to address this.
So initially I thought we would get the basement ready for the membrane down and insulating it. And then Ryan, upon further inspection, found rotted wood underneath the flooring and everything. So he said, hey, while we're doing this part, why don't we make some other repairs, which turned into, hey, your bathroom really needs to come out. And I was like, oh God. And, but, it needed to be done. They had time to do it, and so I said, let's just get it done, do it right, do it the right way.
Look, I already got it. I feel like I'm Chase. Toilet stays here. This is a little pantry. Somehow, your washer dryer and your tub go over there. We just leave that doorway right there.
More like an L shape.
Yeah. You guys like it? And then we don't mess with the toilet. That stays. It's because that heat. Looking from the bottom, this whole bathroom's gonna get gutted, I think. Keep doing what you're doing, but save these, save any churn. I'm gonna go down with Doug. Keep picking butt.
Watch your eyes.
Oh, that's